Hi guys, welcome to Maneuver. In this video, we'll talk about the CMAT 2021 preparation. So just 6 months, which is nothing but 180 days are left for the exam. So what should be your preparation planning? This video is all about that. So if you have started your preparation, well and good. But if you have not yet started, you can start your preparation by joining live lecture, where you can connect live with us and study safely from your home. And for other program like books, mock test, sectional or the full course program, you can log on to menuedu.com/MBA entrance. For online class or doubt regarding the courses, you can call on this number. Very first, let me talk about the worriedness. People are worried because of the corona. They are thinking कि exam होगा कि नहीं होगा. And what if exam postponed हुआ तो? Because lots of corona cases are coming up, and while opening the TV news channel and family discussion all time, corona is coming up. So guys, you need to understand जो corona की problem है, that is across the country and government is working on it. So it is pointless to worry about the corona, but yeah, you should worry about your career, about your preparation. That is what important as of now. So guys, आपका जो CAT का एग्जाम है, that is in the month of November, and it is clear that कि आपका CAT का एग्जाम for sure होगा. So यार CMAT का तो एग्जाम जनवरी में होने वाला है, right? सो ऑब्वियसली आपका ये एग्जाम होगा. सो रादर देन थिंकिंग अबाउट कि एग्जाम होगा कि नहीं होगा, यू शुड वरी अबाउट कि एग्जाम को प्रिपेयर कैसे करना है, सो दैट यू एंड अप विद द टॉप MBA कॉलेजेस फॉर योर MBA प्रोग्राम. So guys, be positive and create your roadmap for the preparation. So as July is about to over, तो आपका जनवरी कब आ जाएगा आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. So roughly 6 months are left for the exam. वो टाइम आपका डिवोट करो आपके प्रिपरेशन को लेके अच्छे से, so that you should achieve one good MBA college, and after your MBA you should get good placement also. So it's time to build up your strategy and think differently than the other people are thinking. Many aspirants are busy in gossip of corona news, lockdown, pandemic, XYZ, but the sensible student will not fall in all this trap. So guys, pre-planning is very important. Strategize your preparation and start implementing it. If you are doing this is 1 and 2, then definitely you will achieve your top MBA colleges dream. So that's why in my live classes I keep on giving the strategy part, so that you should not stuck in particular section or the topic, and your preparation should go very smooth. So guys, this is what I suggest to all my students. एक heavy और एक light, this combination you should follow in terms of your preparation. So for English, you have to read the data, you have to understand, you have to critically think. So along with your English preparation, you should keep logic, and logic is the interesting area, जो आप कान में पप्पू लगा के भी आराम से सॉल्व कर सकते हो गाइस, एक्सेप्ट द अरेंजमेंट वाला पार्ट. रेस्ट ट्रेडिशनल लॉजिक आपका लाइक नंबर सीरीज, कोडिंग डिकोडिंग, अल्फाबेट टेस्ट, सिलोइज्म, इनइक्वालिटी, ये सारे टाइप के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, दोज आर द इजी क्वेश्चन. सो लॉजिक इज द लाइट एरिया विच यू कैन क्लब विद द इंग्लिश प्रिपरेशन. तो इंग्लिश और लॉजिक साथ में प्रिपेयर करो, बट इफ यू आर वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल देन यू कैन डिवोट one सेक्शन एवरी डे डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर टाइम कन्वीनियंट एंड योर स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड द वीक एरिया गाइस. सेकंड कम्स योर कॉन्ट विद GK. सो कॉन्ट रिक्वायर लॉट्स ऑफ प्रैक्टिस and varieties of question you have to practice. So this is what the heavy area. For GK you just have to read the data. As much data you can read for the GK, it will be good for you, because they ask static and current affairs both kind of a GK. Major problem जो quant में आती है doubt को लेकर के. So that's why every Sunday we keep the doubt session, and जो Monday to Friday है आपका वो lecture time है. Coming to the preparation journey guys, July is about to end of January आपका CMAT का exam होगा. So if you look at 20+ days आपको जनवरी में मिलेगा, and some of days you are getting in July, which is almost about to over. So major जो chunks है preparation का वो अगस्त से दिसंबर तक का है. And in that also if you are planning to write NMAT, CAT and the other exam, तो अक्टूबर onwards सारे exams on हो जाएंगे. So अक्टूबर onwards there will be NMAT, अक्टूबर, नवंबर एंड दिसंबर, एंड नवंबर में आपका CAT का एग्जाम होगा. आफ्टर देन योर IFT and SNAP and the other examination. So your CMAT preparation will help you in these exam also if you are planning to write all these exams. So if you are joining now, then your syllabus gets finished by November. After then you can focus more on the mock series, and also while you are preparing for the CMAT, at the same time you will be writing the topic test. One important request guys from all of you, this year you should not waste much time on the Diwali, Christmas or the New Year. We will be definitely celebrating it, but only one day, the day festival is there. So as we have already wasted much time guys, so take the precaution of this and target this year only for the CMAT or the other MBA entrance exam if you are targeting. So guys, run but keep the backup. If you are targeting for the CMAT, that is good, but do keep the backup like NMAT, SNAP, TIS or the CET exam. So you should keep the backup of all these non-CAT exams. So very soon you will be getting the static and the current affairs important topic based video on CMAT. So do subscribe the channel, and in case if you want to join for the live preparation class, so you can contact to the online team on 8828581455. They will guide you about the online live preparation batch, full course, sectional, mock and the books also. Or else you can directly visit menuedu.com/MBA entrance. Same link I have given in the description, so kindly check the description. So guys, one seat in top MBA college, this should be your ideal target. All the very best for your preparation. Thank you.